Hello and happy to see you here. I hope you are doing well. And so, here's for you a very quick and fantastic breakfast drink. As you know, this is again the part of the series in which I have been sharing breakfast recipes to adapt during a weight loss diet plan. This is one of my favorite smoothies as it requires only two ingredients. So, check out the recipe and let us know how you like it. And our star ingredient are the black or the so called purple grapes. Now, this one is seedless. Many a times I get queries as to how to plan a weight loss in a healthy way. On that note, I would like to say that planning a weight loss, as we all know, is a combination of proper nutrition, regular exercises, and a positive lifestyle routine. I always advise that a healthy weight loss is when you can set realistic goals and aim to lose the excessive weight gradually in a safe and sustainable way. Now I'm going to add the second ingredient, roasted rolled oats. Then simply blend them smooth and you're good to go. And weight loss is said to happen rightly when you burn more calories than what is consumed, which means having portion size meals and dropping calories is very necessary for a genuine and healthy weight loss. It's not that you skip meals, push yourself into crush diets, and lose some pounds. And then you return to your normal diet and sooner or later gain back the lost pounds. Now, here you can see the grapes may not get fully blend. So, in that case, if you want, you can just strain it and get it ready. As I mentioned earlier, this is a part of the breakfast series for weight loss, and so there are a few other recipes already shared in this channel. You can take them as a guide and plan your breakfast for each day. And I hope this helps to plan your breakfast each day with a different dish. There's a link to the whole playlist in the description below. Do check that out and make plans for each day with your choice so that you may not get bored having the same kind of breakfast every day during your weight loss journey. Though, as we know, it's always good to have fruits as whole, but sometimes I prefer to rely on smoothies for a quick supply of energy, especially when advising on weight loss diet plans. But that's, of course, up to you. Anyways, here's a quick and simple smoothie ready to serve. It's quite filling and energy yielding too. Try this someday and do share with us how you like it. For more details about the ingredients used, in aspect of their effect on weight loss, is mentioned in our website. You can check that out if you're interested to know more about them, and there's a link to that in the description below. Also, if you have any queries or doubts, do let us know in the comments below, or simply you can mail to us as well. So, once again, thank you for being with us, and would love to see you soon in our next video.